find fruit. We'll just have rice and tuna for dinner. I don't know.
Oh,
No,
wow,
we
that
don't have
sounds
rice
fine.
now.
Oh, we're out?
Yeah.
Wow.
Noodles weekend. So we're here now in the small Italian.
Entonces ella se lo dijo.
Oh yes, sour. Yes, sour. Yes, sour. You will see here if you can find your juice, fruit juice. Because of the virus, the pandemic, so they make like this outside. Like you can eat outside or here. What street? What? Where we go? Look at the street over there. What?
Yeah, I like the freshness.
No, I don't.
I'm a pumpkin.
Squash.
See us out like those places right there? It's a good place. They keep getting more and more new and the air comes down.
Oh yeah. It's like better. It's like what's that? What is this? Building? I think it's renovate. One Grill Sushi. We go over there? We go over there?
However, just remember eventually you're going to run out of room.
Yeah. Oh, that's Little Italy? Oh, Chinese now.
Maybe we have a little ways to go. But you need to find a shirt, t-shirt shop.
Oh yes, I'm looking at the two. We go now? A little. So we already here in town. Yeah. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please like, okay, and click the subscribe button. Okay, see you next time. We are here in a little Italy town in New York. So see you. Bye bye. Oh, you can see me. Walking here. I'm walking the street. It's cool. cold here in New York, so I always wear jacket. I thought it's still summer, but it's chilly.
I think we go this way, maybe.
Okay, we can. Sawa. Diba? Ganon siya kalaki. Ganon o kaliit. Ngayon mukha ko naman makikita nyo. Oh, look at that. Yan, I know. Oh, kita nyo yan. Litson. Litson. Oh, look at this. Big lobster. And king crabs.
It's not king crab. I don't know what that is.
It's not king crabs? Oh, this one is king crab.
Wings.
Yeah.
You want?
We're entering again.
The first Venom Let There Be Carnage fan screening reactions are in. 5 out of 5 stars.
But it's our hotel over there.
Huh?
That's our hotel over
A
there.
little more, I think.
Yeah,
Let's see, where are we?
that's hotel. Over there.
We go that way toward Italy. This is still China here.
Okay. So nobody. Nothing. I'm just talking to myself. Just talking to camera.